Hey everyone! So you're looking to sell a single product with different designs. Maybe you want to offer a t-shirt in both black and white with different colored logos. The mockup generator lets you upload separate designs for each product color variant so that you don't need to create two different products. This feature is also convenient for non-DTG products such as posters and leggings, as you can adjust the file placement for each size variant separately. Let me show you how. Start by opening the product in the mockup generator. If you're editing an existing product, click on the paintbrush icon to edit the design. The first design uploaded will be the default design and will be automatically applied to all the color variants as you add them. Select the color variant that you'd like to have a different design for. Click Make a specific design and delete the existing one. Upload your desired design for that color variant. This will be applied to the selected color only, and you'll notice a blue dot on each variant that's been edited. To undo the change, simply click Revert to Default Design and the original design will be automatically applied again. Once you're happy with the design, save your product. And now you can proceed with publishing it to your store. Easy enough, right? If you found this information helpful, remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment down below about what other tips and tricks you're interested in. May your designs be beautiful and your sales high.